The milling machine finished. Got all the nuts replaced, got it all put back together, got the original vise, original as in it came with the mill on there. It works very nice. I've come to call it my baby Bridgeport. So, I guess I'll show you some cuts on it. Only taking a little bit off because well, I don't need to take much off of this part. That wasn't all right. I know those cuts weren't very deep, but I've pushed it up to 50 thousandths. It's pretty sturdy. Although not intended to be a Bridgeport clone, it is very similar, which is, a good thing. Only thing I don't really care for on this is how you set zero, because you always have to bring it up here since it doesn't have a dial on this part. It's kind of a pain, but that's the Index Model 40 milling machine, all finished.